Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the home of honest reviews and dream machines on wheels. And today, we're diving deep into the lap of luxury on the road. The most luxurious motorhome of 2025. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a mansion on wheels. Meet the 2025 Volkner Mobile Performance S Ultra Edition. A name that's already making waves in the motorhome world. If you thought luxury belonged only in five-star hotels, think again. This masterpiece blends engineering brilliance with breathtaking comfort, redefining what travel means for the elite. Let's start with the exterior. From the outside, the Bibi Performance S Ultra commands attention with a sleek aerodynamic design, a panoramic windscreen, and custom body lines that scream elegance. The retractable sidewalls expand at the push of a button, turning this motorhome into a full-fledged suite. But it's once you step inside that your jaw really drops. The living area is designed like a high-end penthouse. Plush Italian leather, sofas, mood lighting, and a fully integrated 4K entertainment system. And yes, all the furniture is custom-made, with real wood inlays and brushed aluminum trims. The flooring? Heated marble. Right behind the lounge, we've got a kitchen that puts most apartments to shame. Top-of-the-line Miele appliances, a full-size fridge, induction cooktop, dishwasher, and granite countertops. There's even a hidden wine cooler, because why not? Moving into the bedroom, this is where things get even more insane. A king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, electronically adjustable lighting, blackout blinds, and full surround sound speakers. Every detail is controlled through a central touchscreen panel. Lights, temperature, blinds, security, all at your fingertips. The bathroom feels like something out of a luxury spa. Rain shower with mood lighting, automatic temperature control, heated towel racks, and gold-plated fixtures. Yes, real gold. And here comes the signature feature that sets this motorhome apart from everything else. The hidden garage. Tucked underneath the vehicle is a hydraulic platform that reveals a built-in garage. Owners often store their Porsche, Ferrari, or Bugatti in there. Because when you roll like this, your supercar travels with you. Let's talk numbers. This rolling palace starts at around $2.4 million US, and with customizations, you're looking at over $3 million. But for the ultra-rich, this isn't just transportation. It's a lifestyle. So, who is this motorhome for? It's built for celebrities, CEOs, professional athletes, anyone who wants to take luxury wherever they go. And while most of us can only dream of owning something like this, it's still fascinating to see how far comfort and innovation can go on the open road. At Honest Auto Wheels, we've seen our share of luxury rides, but the 2025 the Volkner Performance S Ultra Edition takes things to an entirely new level. It's not just a motorhome. It's a moving palace that breaks every boundary of mobile living. If you enjoyed this tour into the world of luxury on wheels, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming automotive adventures. Thanks for watching. And remember, the journey matters just as much as the destination.